So, hello again, people. We're here with our clients, trying to film filming a fully automatic Smfa 100. The guy just started the pump. The machine is for sale. This machine is for sale. Yeah. And they are literally looking for a client as we speak. The machine has been doing like 50-60 cubics, no more than that. As you can see, the state of it is almost new. Look at everything. This as usual, this is the blade tensioner on the right hand side. Now he goes up and down using the controller on the right hand side, all hydraulic underneath, and the joystick for the machine. Backwards. So on the ramp here, the machine comes with the ramp, as you can see, all together. We have a 42 centimeter diameter log in here, 4 meter long, with 4 rolling heads. The whole of the machine. Tensioners for the chain, such each and every head. Now the machine. Right, so this is just a demo for a possible client to see what the machine does, how the machine acts. And I cut. The machine can go up to 1 meter diameter log. Well, obviously, you bear in mind the speed of the cut. It's influenced by the thickness of the log. Once it's influenced by the essence of the wood. Obviously, it's going to go very fast on these fir trees, as this one is a fir tree. And a bit slower, talking about the hard essences as beech or oak. Okay, the drawback in action. Right, very clear cut, clean, no waving, very straight, really nice. So all in all, one cut, we have 2 inches 5 centimeter thickness of those lumber, of that lumber that's been cut, and it took exactly 15 seconds. 15 seconds to go through it. So I repeat, we have a 4-meter long log with a thickness of 42 centimeters. I hope you have a good idea about the machine in itself, what it does, how it operates. Well, I decided to also shoot a very short video of this loading ramp. Well, I don't really know exactly the weight of the thing, but it's massive anyway. But as massive as it is, it's very useful as well. So to get this ramp to whichever destination, it will have to these cross members 1, 2, 3 over there. They come off, yeah. They just get off because they're only screws on each side, and then you have this side and that side, you know. So it's easy to be attached on a platform, and then these are coming out, this and that one over there, yeah. All this, the claws are coming separate, yeah. I'm told that the claws are getting out, and that's kind of it. I mean, it's not a complicated operation. And then back to a destination point, everything will have to be assembled again. So first thing first, you put the legs down, cross members in the middle, 1, 2 and 3 behind over there, down behind the engine, down, and then you install these, the forks. Then you put the engine on, and that's it. Simple as that. As for the sawmill, in this case, the sawmill, this particular model for this client, it was made out of the trucks. They've been built out of 2 5-meter lengths, and they've come in together in the middle with this bolts, both sides obviously, and then adjusting legs, as you already know about the machine. The legs are all the legs can be adjusted. The height of the legs can be adjusted depending on the surface of your warehouse, the surface of the warehouse floor. If it's not very even, so then you can adjust the height of the legs using the screws. Well, I hope this does help to have a good idea of the machine, all about the machine, and talk to you soon. Okay, any inquiries that you might have regarding this particular machine, please do get in touch with us using the contact details at the bottom of the adverts. As I said before, this machine is for sale together with the loading ramp, waiting for your inquiries. First come, first served. That's how it goes. Hurry up and get in touch with us if you think this is the machine you need it. Thanks ever so much. So goodbye for now.